welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Dev and today we'll be doing the unboxing and a quick overview of a power bank here. As you know, we use our mobile phone very much these days and the battery runs out, and for traveling purposes, if I am out, I need a quick charger. So this is one of that. This is from Ambrane. This is a 10,000 mAh charger battery which has magnet in the end, so it will stick to the back of your phone, MagSafe phone if it is compatible. So this is a wireless power bank with MagSafe compatibility, yes, and this is made in India. So not in China, this is made in India. Okay, MagSafe charging, QI technology, power delivery technology, multi layers of chipset protection. All right, and coming to the back, 180 days of warranty. Okay, and UCPD. Okay, this has one type C output, one USB, okay, input output. All right, this is the power button. All right, product specification, 5 watt, 7 watt. Okay, charging time is up to 3 hours. True PD technology, MagSafe compatible with iPhone 12 series. Okay, perfect. And the MRP of this is 3,499. It is listed, but I got this for around 1,600 in Amazon. I'll put the link of that below. You can go check that out. So this is one of the better charger that I found in Amazon. The other was from MI, but I needed a wireless charger. All right, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Okay, nice. The packing material is good. Does not feel cheap, at least yet. And you have two color options. One is this violet and the other one is black. Okay, another box inside. Okay, and ooh, quite heavy. There should be a yes. Oh, this is a braided cable. That's nice. So yeah, nylon braided cable. That is really good. Very good quality. The cable type A to type C. And let's have a look. Okay, this has a stand also. All right. So this is a bit suspicious. Someone has removed this. Yeah, these days Amazon and all this is, yeah, someone has removed this and again put this back. Yeah, this is suspicious. These days I'm facing a lot of such problem from Amazon. People are returning the used products. This is like not good from Amazon side. Okay, so this is the stand. You can put it like this, and this nice click here. Nice. The finishing is really good. This is the MagSafe. This is the type C. This is the type A, and this is the power button. Do I need to switch it on to charge? Let's see if are there any LED indicators? No. All right, let me just quickly test it with iPhone. Okay, should be like this. The magnet is good. Magnet is quite good, but it's not charging. I guess I have to charge it. Okay, so it can also put it like this. That is nice. And let me just see. Okay, there is the LED. Nice. You turn it on and it shows 3 out of 4 charger is there and it is green. But why is it not charging? The phone is vibrating, but for some reason it's not charging. Yeah, maybe that's the reason someone returned this. Okay, anyways, I will do the full review of this soon. Hope you like this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and take care. Bye.